radio playing the highlights. There's nothing left to say. It's only do or die. Put your arms around me. Can we stay here for a while? Standing on the edge, we watch the bridges burn. Holding on to you while the city turns. Ashes raining down. I look into your eyes, knowing that it's only a matter of time. If the sky was crashing down and the lights were going out, ooh, you are the one, you are the one that I want. If the world went up in flames and we only had one day, ooh, you are the one, you are the one that I want. Walls break and the earth stops shaking, but the fire we made's not fading. I won't give you up without a fight. You know how to keep me safe, and I know how to keep you sane. There's nothing left for me but you. Oh, you and I, standing on the edge, we watch the bridges burn. Holding on to you while the city turns. If the sky was crashing down and the lights were going out, ooh, you are the one, you are the one that I want. If the world went up in flames and we only had one day, ooh, you are the one, you are the one that I want. If the sky was crashing and the lights were going, oh, if the world went up in flames and we only had one day, if the sky was crashing down and the lights were going out, ooh, you are the one, you are the one that I want. If the world went up in flames and we only had one day, ooh, you are the one, you are the one that I want.
Ang OMI para sa akin ay itinakda ng Diyos.
Ang OMI sa akin ay service.
Together in So we could get just think it right. We could still together when it's alright. I swear you remember me right.
Mabuhay po ang saya ng Pilipino. Mabuhay ang movement. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. We just concluded our team building seminar, strategic planning, and as well as evaluation, performance, and evaluation and assessment of our achievements of one movement from February 8 to today, February 10, 2025. So we're looking forward that we can achieve our vision in goals, and support our government for socio-economic development programs to uplift our nation. So yes, congratulations for all the colleagues, one movement, for all the alliance presidents, as well as other organizations who have supported making these 3 days team building seminar a success. So again, mabuhay po lahat. God be the God.